there's two types of company in here, really. There's those who really just concentrate on what they're doing day in, day out, and they just deliver whatever they've got to do, and they consider the sort of just-in-time delivery, the pressures they're doing without considering their processes. They just get on and do it. And those ones are the ones which are potentially going to fail. The other side are the ones who are willing to learn. And I think, what P&G have done and what Siemens are doing as well is great with their supply chains. They're actually coaching the supply chains to adapt. And I think the SMEs who listen to these people are the ones who are going to succeed. And Andy and Alan both brought out this collaboration. These things don't happen without collaboration. There's no sort of golden solution to it. There's nothing that's going to give everybody the right answers. So really looking at the high-value manufacturing catapults for guidance, looking at the people you're supplying, and looking at best practice is the only way you're going to adapt. So it is important that they do it. And I think, those that don't won't be here.